This is an infinite generator in Python, while true creates an endless sequence. The yield keyword returns one value at a time and pauses execution. Using next, we control how many values we need. Generators are memory efficient and powerful. This function never ends. Yield returns one value at a time. Function pauses after each yield. Next fetches the next value. Loop limits output to 10 values. Generator continues from last state. Infinite generators produce unlimited values, but consume memory only when accessed.